My name is Andrea Salerno, and I am the PLM Practice Manager at Engineering USA. Today, I'm going to take you on a journey through time to showcase how our Digital Industry Division is helping shape the future of American manufacturing. This is the past, present, and future of fast food and the commercial kitchen. So the 1950s were a time where Americans started to move like they never moved before. With the drastic increase of cars and trucks on the road, life in America had a new fast lane. So to serve all these mobile masses, fast food restaurants started popping up all over the country. Entrepreneurs were quick to come up with gimmicks to turn fast food into fast profits, really marketing to the typical American family, all to fuel popularity. And it worked. Now, what has happened to the fast food industry since then? So besides growth, there has been a digital revolution with the fast food restaurant. Technology is at the heart of this revolution, powering many of the features to enhance customer service, including self-serve kiosks, online ordering, and an endless number of food delivery apps. But the digital revolution has not only impacted the customer side of the fast food experience. As the food culture changed, so did the demands of the commercial kitchen. This posed a whole new set of challenges for manufacturers of kitchen equipment. Some examples include the broad range of commercial kitchen sizes, the growing demand for smart connected equipment, but the challenge that I would like to focus on today is the concept of engineer to order. If you're not familiar with the concept of engineer to order, let me give you an example. Let's say you are online shopping for a brand new car. You can select the color of the car, the color of the interior, sunroof or no sunroof, you get the idea. Essentially, the design of the product is linked to manufacturing once that custom order is submitted. So this can be applied to all kinds of products: shoes, bicycles, and believe it or not, kitchen equipment. This was an obstacle faced by one of our US customers, an American manufacturer and global supplier of commercial kitchen equipment. They're an industry leader and primary vendor for many fast food chains, including Chick-fil-A, Wendy's, and McDonald's. By serving over 80 different countries, they offer 134 configurable products that result in over 1 million product options. 1 million product options is an enormous amount of data that must be properly managed and readily available to be sent to the manufacturing floor when the customer submits their order. We partnered with our customer for an Industry 4.0 assessment. Our experts were able to execute an in-depth analysis of all of their different business groups, IT systems, and current processes. Our assessment resulted in the recommendation on how to best manage all of their product data by integrating their customer portal with their data management system. This provided our customer with a synchronized product configuration tool. In the end, our solution really helped bridge the gap between their customer, engineering, and the manufacturing floor. So, what will the kitchens of the not too distant future become? Will we have refrigerators that won't let food spoil, dishwashers that won't need soap, or completely robotic controlled kitchens? From robots to microchip-powered ordering systems, technology will continue to play an increasingly important role in an industry where speed and efficiency are critical. Our team here at Engineering USA will continue to help build the future of this industry, and we are excited for what's ahead.